Sir, Aditya Raj called from TV9 Network. Yesterday, the DG ISPR came out with a press conference, and while you have been continuously providing satellite images and proofs, undeniable proof really, of the airstrikes that happened and the damage that is caused, there's no evidence coming in from the other side. What do you think is there? Are they trying to bluff their people? Are they trying to build some kind of a propaganda for the anger that domestically is there in Pakistan? And secondly, related question, you mentioned Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists. The brother of Maulana Masood Azhar, Rauf Asghar, who was killed. Pakistan DG ISPR is trying to build a propaganda where he's saying that Lashkar-e-Toiba, Rauf from Lashkar-e-Toiba was at the entire funeral, but he's saying that he's alive, and they're trying to confuse the people because the two names are similar. The Jaish chief, who is the brother of Maulana Masood Azhar, and the Lashkar guy who was with the Pakistan army at the funeral. So could you clarify what has really happened? Because there is a lot of propaganda and information warfare happening from the Pakistan side. Thank you.
I think the first part of the question you have answered yourself. I need not delve more on it. Why they are doing what they are doing, information is not forthcoming from there. Obviously, that is expected, and they would do whatever it takes to assuage their people and minimize whatever information about the damage comes out. Here, I would like to clarify, as I said yesterday, our fight is with the terrorists. Our fight is not with the Pakistan military or Pakistan civilians. So that is very clear, and we are very clear in our targeting. So coming to the second part of your question as to what media or what propaganda spin the other side is trying to make out a story. Well, it is for them to answer, and it really is not a military question for us to answer here. We've done our job. We have done what we're expected to do, and that is it.